Delete your Facebook account permanently. In this video I will walk you through how to delete your Facebook account on your smartphone. The only requirements you need is your current password. But if you forgot your password, don't worry, I will drop a video link below on comment section on how to see your Facebook password in a minute, so make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Let's jump into the tutorials. If you find this information useful, subscribe to this channel, also like and share. Open your Facebook app. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down to the Your Facebook Information section and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Account, and tap Continue to Account Deletion. Please take notes of this. When you delete your Facebook account, all your data will be permanently removed. This means you'll lose access to your posts, photos, videos, messages, and any other shared information. If you want to keep a record, be sure to download a copy of your data before deleting your account. Additionally, apps connected to your Facebook account will be impacted, such as group you created, as well your page. Also, if you use Facebook to log into other apps or websites, your access to these services may be disrupted. Ensure you update your login information for those apps before deleting your Facebook account. Tap Delete Account. Enter your password, and then tap Continue to finalize the deletion process. I don't want to delete this. After completing these steps, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During this period, you can log in to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. After 30 days, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Kindly leave your questions and comments in comments section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.